Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Lee.
Hey Scots, I'm Ian. We have some great announcements for you guys, so listen up.
First, big shout out to boys basketball for making it to Valley Championship game today for the first time in over 20 years.
Second, congratulations to the Highland Color Guard for their first place performance at last weekend's competition.
Third, seniors, if you have not ordered your cap and gown yet, you must order it online at jostens.com. Check out the Highland website for the QR code.
Fourth, the deadline to buy grad night tickets is next Friday. Come by the activities/athletics office to pick up a permission slip.
Fifth, do you still need assistance with submitting your financial aid application? Join us Monday, February 27th from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the library.
Now, let's go with Aiden with some information about the Spring Fest rally happening in April.
What's up, Scots? It's me, Aiden here, to let you know if you want to be part of the Spring Fest rally, you must come to the activities office. And you must come here before the first week of March. And also, if you want to be part of the auditions will be during both lunches during March 6th to March 10th. Now, you might be wondering the rules. Well, the rules are you must have a prepared piece of work that is appropriate for school, obviously, and it must be under 2 minutes and gotta include music, because if you're not bumping, we're not rocking. Now, finally, guys, if you have any questions, don't come to me. I know a lot. You're gonna come to the activities room and you're gonna ask the chairman. It's gonna be Ava and Isaiah. Hey, rally chairs. See y'all next time.
Thanks for that information, Aiden.
Do you love working on cars?
Do you want a career path that doesn't include a 4-year college degree?
Well, on Friday, March 3rd, during fourth period, the Highland Avid program, Community Voices, is pleased to welcome Mr. Manuel Aguilar from Trends Auto Collision to speak to you about his multi-million-dollar business and his path to success.
Sign up in college and career today. That's it for today's show, Scots.
Remember to plat up a Highland!
You guys have a great weekend.